Lovely the Great buttermilk biscuit.
Not enough rice, honey.
Attacking me.
You seek God. What happened to this girl?
Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for your girl. So in this video, I'm making some cheesy onion rings. So first I start with one onion. I cut it in like about an inch thick like that. Gonna take a big piece and a small piece, put it inside, put a little piece of cheese in there. I took one egg, mixed it up in a bowl. I took some breadcrumbs, put them in a separate bowl with a little seasoning. I put some flour in another bowl. You're going to dip your onion into the egg, dip it into the flour, dip it into the egg again, then dip it into the breadcrumbs, then put it in your basket. You're gonna put it in the deep fryer for about a little bit, maybe a minute. Not even onion rings. I also made some hash browns and threw a little piece of cheese on top of it. This is my lunch for today. I'm going to do another video one day where I'll actually show you guys me actually making everything. I was in a rush just now, so I only had a few minutes to do this because I want to enjoy it and enjoy my lunch break. But so this is what I made, some cheesy onion rings. I just used some American cheese. I didn't have any mozzarella. I don't really like mozzarella a lot anyway. So they turned out nice. You can see it nice and cheesy. I'm going to tear that up. And I made me some cheesy hash browns. It's your girl, Lovely the Great. I'll talk to y'all later. Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.